morning to all of you. Today we are going to solve exercise 8b of algebraic expression. Okay, it is class 6 video. So here we have to find the value of the algebraic expression given a plus b, and here 5a square minus 2ab in fifth number, and you have to put a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Okay, where given a you have to write 2, where given b you have to write 3. 2 plus 3 5. Very easy. Here also 5 and a square. 5a square, how did we get 5 into a, that is 5a, or 5 that is 5 into a, that is 5a square. So here 2 times 5 into a, what is a? 2. Write down 2. 2 to the power square 2, it means 2 squared, and minus 2, again here multiple symbol is given 2 into a into b, that is 2ab. Okay, so here hidden multiple symbol. So 2 is b, a is 2 and b is 3. Now multiply 5 into 2 into 2, 2 times 2 into 2, 4 into 5, 5 4 ja 20, minus 2 into 2, 4 3 ja 12, 20 minus 12, that is 8. 8 is the answer. Very easy. I hope you got it. Now again, here given p equal to minus 2, q equal to minus 1, and r equal to 3. Find the value of p square plus q square minus r square. So put the value of p is given minus 2 squared. Q is minus 1 squared, minus r is 3 squared. Okay, now when you multiply 2 square, it means minus 2 into minus 2. 2 into 2 4, and minus into minus plus, it means it becomes positive. So it is 4, and also minus 1 into minus 1, 1 plus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 1 1, and minus into minus plus, so plus 1. So this is plus 1, and minus is out of bracket, not in under bracket. Okay, 3 into 3, 3 squared means 3 into 3, 9. So this is 4 plus 1 5 minus 9, answer is minus 4. Okay, very easy. I hope you got it. Now I solve some more example. Now fourth number question says, write the coefficient of x in 13x. Write the coefficient of x in 13x. So in 13x, what is the coefficient of x? Is 13, means multiple. What is the multiple of x? Here 13. So the answer will be 13. Okay, you can write the coefficient of x is 13. Okay, here z in this one, z, what is the multiple? That is, so z is multiplied with minus 7x. So minus 7x is the coefficient of z. The coefficient of z is minus 7x. Okay, here the coefficient of x square is in minus x square. What is that? Minus x square we can write in bracket, that is minus 1 into x square. Minus x square we can write minus 1 into x square, that is minus x square. Okay, So what is the coefficient of x square is? The coefficient of x square is -1. Okay. So here the coefficient of x is 13. The coefficient of z is -7x. The coefficient of x square is -1. Okay. Rest you can do. Now the fifth number question says write the numeral coefficient of. What is the numeral coefficient of? I taught you two types of coefficient. Okay. Oh, one is literal and other is numeral. So you know AB even that is not numeral coefficient is not given, but here 1 is hidden. We can write 1 into AB, that is AB. So what is the numeral coefficient of AB is? That is 1. 1 is the answer. Here, what is the numeral coefficient? What is the numeral? This is the numeral numbers. Numeral means number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what is the numeral coefficient? These are the literal coefficient. And this is the numeral. So, -2 is the answer. Okay? Very easy. Now, we do the next. Now students, 6th number question says write the constant term of. Constant terms you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whatever. In which are the constant terms? Here 3x square. You can't say this is term. Term means total, which is 3x square is one term, 5x is one term and 8 is another term. This is 3 terms contains. This is trinomial. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrinomial these are. This is quadrinomial. 4 terms contain. This is quadrinomial. Now which one is constant term? This is a constant number only. Single constant number given. So in 3x square plus 5x plus 8, that is 8 only is 8 is a constant term. Here minus 8 upon 3 is the constant term. Okay, which is free of variables, which is not multiplied with variables. These are called constant term. Here, okay, this is constant number, but it is multiplied with variable. That's why it is not a constant term. Okay, minus 8 upon 3. This is free of variables. That's why it is called constant term. And these are variable terms. These are variable terms. Okay, I hope you got it. Now, 7 number question says identify the monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay, so you can find if one term given, write down monomial. If you have 2 terms, write binomial. 3 terms, write down trinomial. 4 terms, write down quadrinomial. Okay. So, only monomial, binomial and trinomial given. You can write down yourself. 7 number also very easy. 8 number, write all the terms of the algebraic expression. You have to write down all the terms. Means in first number given 4x to the power 5 minus 6 y to the power 4 plus 7 x squared y minus 9. So, you have to write down separately. So, all the terms first is 4x to the power 5, comma, minus 6 y to the power 4, minus 7 x square y and minus 9. 4 terms you have to write down separately with symbol also. And identify the like terms in the following. You know the like terms, or if the variables same x square y and also you get x square y, then these both are like terms. Okay, I hope you got it, and you will try all the questions whatever given on your book. You can do yourself now. Okay, so we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.